Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change a printer name on Windows 10 PC using PowerShell. For this, first note down the printer name on your Windows 10 PC. So click on this one, a start button, and type here printer, and then click on this one, printers and scanners. On the right under printers and scanners, you will find all the printers and scanners that are installed on your Windows PC. Note down the name of the printer you want to rename. For instance, I want to rename this one HP1233 printer. To rename the printer, click on a start button again and type here PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one, Windows PowerShell entry. Select Run as Administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click on this Yes button. In Windows PowerShell window, you need to issue this one command. I will put this one command in this video description, and rename current printer name with the printer name that is currently in your Windows PC, and replace this one new printer name with the new printer name you want to apply. For instance, I will put here 12345 SP12345. After issuing this one command, press enter on the keyboard. This will rename your old printer to a new name, and to see the new name, again click on this one start button and type here printer, and then click on this one printers and scanners option. On the right side, you will find that printer name has been changed on your Windows 10 PC.